you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I guess. This stupid bus broke down, but I fixed it.
Hey, Rosalind. Nice meeting you up close.
How did you fix the bus, Rosalind?
Just last week, you had to take your car to the shop because you didn't know cars needed oil.
How could you know how to...
Rosalind, where are we going?
Rosalind? Hey. What the heck?
We're George. You're great.
And now we fight Mariska, the psychedelic zombie. She is my favorite boss in this entire game. She has the coolest level for a boss fight ever. And the music is just, I love it. I love the music. Out of every level, other than Lewis Legends, because it was like rock and roll zombie. It's a bunch of buses put together, look at that. All those American flags.
Who the hell are you?
Look at her, she's so cool.
Oh, Sister Juliet and Brother Nick. Let's travel to the land beyond the doors of perception. Step outside the boundaries of your mind. Lose yourself in the eternal, collective unconscious. And rot.
Listen, lady, why don't you try using some deodorant? Because honestly, you smell like shit.
This one was just as insolent.
Rosalind!
Now, open your heart and let my music guide you into the world of everlasting peace and rot and hell.
Jefferson Airplane! Want somebody to love?
Flow on, child, into the rush of chaos and dark.
Can I just... Come on. Oh, the bubble. I don't remember bubbles, but okay. But yeah, Mariska, she is my favorite boss in this entire game. And I loved her so much that the year this game came out, I think it was 2012, so it's about 4 years later now. Oh my god, it's almost 5 years old next year. I got this around my birthday in June, so it'll be 4 years next month. So, for Halloween, I was working a Halloween haunt that year with my best friend Amy. Hi, Amy. And, we had a family night. For most of the nights, I was the jackal from 13 Ghosts because my hair was just about as long as Mariska's. Like, it was butt length. I hate when I reload and it pauses me. Anyway, oh, finally got it. Okay. Oh, no. Ah, damn it. I was trying to avoid the bubbles to see if I can get an achievement because I avoided all the butterflies the last time and I did get an achievement for that. I wanted to see if I got one for the bubbles. Oh well. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I was the jackal from 13 Ghosts, for the Halloween haunt. And I was apparently one of the scariest characters there just because of my, my presentation, I'll say. They gave me like a little, they gave me a strobe light, but they gave me like a little clicker. And I had a cage, even though for people that have seen 13 Ghosts, the jackal and all the ghosts were not in cages, they were in glass rooms, but this was close enough. So I was in a cage, and when everybody got past a certain point, when they would hit Amy, Amy was, that was quick. Amy was, who was she? Playing this game, so I can't think of it at the same time. Okay, she was, oh, this is one of my favorite ones. And I was like, ooh. Look at that challenge I get now. Oh, she was from Dead Silence. She was Mary Shaw, that was it. Now I can think. And she got a creepy little puppet baby doll that she got at Spirit Halloween for her character. And when people got past her point, which was this really creepy looking tree next to me, I would hit the strobe light and just give it all I got and just bang on the cage. And it would scare the crap out of everybody that walked by. And if I got a really good scare out of people, hold up. But, okay. If I got a really good scare out of people, they didn't know that I wasn't completely enclosed in a cage. It was just like two walls to kind of trick you. So I would just like swing myself out of the cage and people freaking out like, oh gosh, she had a cage, she had a cage. I don't think they realized that Jack was supposed to be a guy, but maybe they just knew I was a girl, I don't know. But yeah, I got out and I would chase them around the tree that the strobe light was attached to in front of me. And they would get met with another friend of ours, who was dressed as Michael Myers but had a chainsaw. Well, no, he had a knife, but this one scare, he had the knife. And when they got past to where they thought was it was the end of the road. But as soon as they got there, my buddy Canovio, aka Chewy, yeah, Canovio, he popped out of nowhere with this chainsaw and just gave it all he's got. I think it was the quickest he's run in his life. And it was like our best scare of the entire Halloween hunt. But for relating to Mariska, for family night, ooh, I didn't know that. For family night, it was supposed to be a bunch of kids get to come by for trick-or-treating, which I thought was really cool. And they said, if you want to volunteer, just show up and we'll give you something to do. So they gave me a post to hand out candy, and all the little kids are coming by, like, dressed up. So I was like, I'm gonna get dressed up too. And I dressed up as Mariska, the psychedelic zombie. I pretty much had the entire outfit, not exactly, but the pants almost, crap! The pants were almost exact, but my pattern was like gold patterned flowers on the bottom. They were really old stretch pants that were just falling down with every step I had. But, yeah, I found like a really cheap, I found a really cheap, like, orange kind of top that looked just like hers. I was like, good, that's exactly what I wanted. And I painted on all the stitches, because I really wanted to make them look like real stitches, but I didn't have the materials, sadly. So maybe I'll attempt it again one year for Halloween. Maybe this year, even though I'm hearing different themes from different people, and it's confusing me, because I keep thinking we're supposed to do, like, Marvel and or DC heroes. And I wanted to do Raven, and I don't know what we're supposed to be doing anymore. I'm really confused. I kind of want to get started now, just so I'm not rushing, because by the time it's like end of August, beginning of September, all the Halloween stuff comes out, and I start to just think about decorating and decorating and decorating well until Halloween night. Just, that's how I am. And most of the Halloween stuff just ends up right back in my bedroom again. Don't you love people like me who love Halloween? It's never over. Halloween is make tickets. I was not paying attention, was telling my story. Boop. There we go.
You okay?
But yeah, that's my story. This is still a second. Come on. Why is this so hard? Oof. I get there before the timer. Yeah. Alright, the third part. Everybody told me the third part is hard, way harder. So let's see. She's so cool. Oh yeah, my top was not a belly shirt. I don't have the belly for a belly shirt. But I basically crocheted her headband and her bracelets. It all looked awesome. I forget if I have a picture of it. And, oh, your thumb got me! Oh, wait, get away. Get away. Get away. These are easy shots. Because they're all kind of hovering in the same area. I just gotta get away from the hands. You know. Boom, boom. Oh, come on. When it reloads, it just takes up time. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. I love this level's music. Hands, just go away, finally. Come on. Oh, there's the butterflies. There's the butterflies. Go. Yeah. Okay. So we got— No! No second attack! So this will be easy. I think the hand's coming back up against. So, whoa, okay. Okay. I forgot about these. Alright. Okay. Ooh, bullets. I knew that'd be my downfall. Alright, just keep flipping, keep running, keep flipping, keep jumping. There we go. Alright. Back to the hand now, I guess. Now more butterflies. Okay, and go. And remember, there's a second loop. I like this part of the song. Alright, now it's back to the hand. What is it? Whoa! Okay, that's new. I don't remember the rocket. No! I don't remember the rocket. Okay. Just run with the rocket. That was pretty awesome, though, I'll admit. What? Okay. Ah, there's the hand. Jump! There we go. I do not remember a rocket, so that must have been new. That was awesome, though. I like that. Didn't hurt me except for the jet. Stop. That was creepy looking. It's Thing coming after me. That's what I like about this third level. They're all just like in one area, so it's like I can easily shoot you all down. It's just little obstacles that keep me from standing still.
Her personality irks the hell out of me.
No, I love her personality. I love hippies. It's hipsters. Hipsters learn from hippies. Just be like hippies. Don't pretend you're cool. Just hippies don't know. That's why I love hippies. They like being themselves. Eh. Oh, that was perfect timing with the music. Dead. And we defeated her. One of my favorite bosses. Well, my favorite boss. And I like this little cutscene.
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin munching moron!
Heavy. Peace out. Way out.
Oh, the beautifulness.
They asked me to reggae from the barrio coepto.
I think that was still a sitar, if I'm not mistaken.
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
Yeah. Trippy, ain't it? And the ship
Rosalind?
is still burning.
She's not here.
Hey there, Juliet. Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your hands off of
Is that because you stink?
Get
her because she farted.
If you want your sister back, baby, you need to win a game with me. Make your way to the Poultry Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your crew like it's 1983.
So we got an 80s zombie now.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us?
Da, 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 da.
Hey, baby.
This dude cries anytime a dog dies on TV.
Darling?
And now we meet her dad. You don't get to meet the mom until the very end, like after the credits. See, how did I do?
Wow.
Alright. Doing an average of C's, that's fine. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you would like to see me play next, or what cover I should do next. See you later, boys and ghouls.